Hey, what's up guys? It's Dominic here, and for today's video ay pupunta tayo ng Suzuki for our third PMS or the first 10,000 kilometers. So tara, sabayan niyo ako.
A few inches later.
So we have just arrived here in Suzuki General Santos, and time check, it's currently 2:12 in the afternoon, and yung ating appointment is at 2 PM. So late tayo ng 12 minutes. So update na pala yung mileage natin for today is 9,770 kilometers. Below pa siya ng 10,000 kilometers, but yung ating monthly interval, which is 4 months, ay na-exceed na natin. So supposedly dapat nung tayo nagpa-change oil noong December, but pinag-usapan lang natin ng Casa if pwede lang siyang ma-extend kasi sayang yung mileage. And ito na nga yung pinakahabang extension na kaya na ibigay para hindi ma-void yung ating free service coupon. So let's go!
A few moments later.
So update guys, ito yung total nating binayaran for the 10,000 PMS natin. So ang total nating binayaran is 3,256 pesos and 1 centavo. So ito yung inclusions niya, yung oil, of course, 4 liters, oil filter, and yung gasket, and also yung spark plug. Yung spark plug naman is talagang required na daw siya for the 10,000 PMS. I don't know if nagbago ba yung policy nila, because for the previous na experience ko with Suzuki for the Ciaz, kasi hindi naman nila nire-require yung 10,000 PMS as long as okay pa yung under nung sasakyan. And now, sabi required na daw, or else magsasign ako ng waiver for if ipapatanggal ko daw yung spark plug. And if i-compare natin siya dun sa quotation na hiningi ko beforehand, before ako pumunta, ang total kasi nung hiningi quotation is 3,981 pesos and 15 centavos. So ang difference nila is yung for the rapid cleaner, which is 556 pesos and 14 centavos. So pina-exclude ko siya kasi pwede naman siyang ipagawa sa shell. This is the term used by Suzuki for the brake cleaning. So that's it for today guys. I hope you learned something from this video, and especially dun sa magpapa-PMS na ng kanilang Suzuki Ertiga. Also, I'll be linking down below yung ating video for the 5,000 PMS. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Till our next video, goodbye!